Mylliem Mawiong is a village situated on the Mylliem CNRD block of East Khasi Hills district. It is one of the nearest villages to the block headquarter, but due to the absence of roads, it has to access through longer routes. No proper road connectivity is present in the village. The villages are mostly agrarian in nature, and they depend on agriculture, which they depend for their basic needs. They constructed a check dam to harvest the water for use. With the launching of the Jal Jeevan mission in 2019, the PHE department extended coverage to the village. The existing assets were used as the source for connecting tap water in every household. This work is under progress. In 2018-19, agriculture and agri-allied activities for their livelihood. Having a total of 178 households, they did not even avail rural development schemes such as the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. From 2015 onwards, with the constant push from the bloc and with the active movement of the Village Employment Council functionaries, the people started to come forward to develop their village using the centrally sponsored scheme Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. However, no other programs were implemented in the village. Using the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, the people leveraged and improved their livelihood through connectivity, land development for agricultural activities, and construction.